Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale with Linode, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Linode account. Once logged in, navigate to the Linode Manager dashboard. Locate the Create button in the upper right corner of the page. Select Linode from the drop-down menu to create a new instance. Choose your preferred distribution from the options available. Select a plan that suits your scalability needs, keeping performance and budget in mind. Next, configure the data center region based on your target audience for optimal performance. In the Linode Labels section, enter a unique name for easy identification. Optional, you can add SSH keys in this step for secure access. Review your selections to ensure everything is set up correctly. Click on the Create Linode button to provision your new instance. Once the Linode is created, you will see it listed on your dashboard. To scale your Linode, select the instance you wish to upgrade. Click on the Resize tab on the Linode's Details page. Choose a larger plan that meets your increased resource needs. Confirm your resize selection and follow any on-screen prompts. Monitor the scaling process in the Activities section for real-time updates. After resizing, ensure your applications are running optimally on the new plan. If necessary, adjust your firewall settings or network configurations accordingly. Finally, review your billing to understand any changes in costs related to scaling. Your Linode is now successfully scaled and ready for increased demands. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.